Hi guys, Trevor here. So how would you like to go from zero to a full-time income faster than you ever could have dreamed of? Like super fast. Well, there's a webinar on tonight that my good friend Dean Holland is hosting for myself, Dean and Craig Crawford. And in that webinar, he's going to show you exactly how you can do that. In fact, I've been looking at a replay of that webinar. I've just made some notes of things that for me kind of stood out as, worthy of mentioning to you. He said that from zero to full-time faster than you can imagine, and that also there wasn't a single person on that call who couldn't make at least 3k to 10k per month using the system that he was showing in that webinar. And I thought, well, yes, that's a bold claim, but it's certainly something that you'd be interested in seeing, which is why I'm telling you about this. What's really interesting as well is that this gives you the opportunity to generate recurring income mid to kind of recurring income, low to medium ticket commissions plus high ticket commissions. Now, high ticket commissions are like the best ever. When you get commissions that are multiple hundreds and sometimes multiple thousands, it's a game changer. They can make such a difference to our lives. So I thought that I'd tell you that this webinar's on, so you get a chance to get in on that. There's also, let me see, the ability to earn 1k, 2k and 3k commissions. There's a lot of stuff in here that was, for me, really, really exciting. So there's a link below me on this page. All you need to do is click on there to register for this. It's absolutely free of charge, and that's why I thought I'd show you. Now, just before you go and do that, let me just give you a little bit of an idea in case you don't know. Here's Dean here, and here's Dean on a call with Russell Brunson. This was before he was going to go on stage at an event where Tony Robbins was on stage. So, this is somebody who's really at the top of his game. And it's been a pleasure working with Dean, and a pleasure for me to be able to bring this webinar to you. So if you've got a bit of spare time, register, jump on. You just never know what you might learn. And for me, I love going on webinars because there's usually one golden nugget that makes all the difference. So register below now, and we'll see you on the call. All the best, Trevor.